Hey guys, it's Tom. I'm here in the 2019 Farm Progress Show in Decatur, Illinois. We're here for Tractor Tools Direct, just trying to check out all the new vendors, some of the new products that they have to offer, talking about some of our equipment, maybe possibly getting some other equipment from new vendors, talking to old vendors, and much, much more. So another really cool thing about today at the Farm Progress Show is that there's some equipment that I never will see other than at the show. So I hear about it, sometimes we have customers call, but the forestry equipment that's here today, some of the larger hay baling equipment, and some of the larger row crop, it's just absolutely amazing to see the new designs that are coming out this year. The forestry equipment in particular, we saw a logging implement that was almost $600,000. Being able to go inside, talk about it, seeing what they do as far as design, and then being able to talk with them about the differences between what we sell as far as forestry and kind of homesteader packaging for people who are wanting to kind of do small logging at their show, at their house. They also have some of those things at these shows, but the larger equipment is just so awesome to see, and I highly suggest you guys should come out to the show. Along with that, some products I really liked at the show were the forestry equipment. And the closest thing to forestry equipment that we sell right now is going to be our flail mowers. They cut up to about 2-inch saplings, so definitely not big forestry equipment, but it kind of goes in line with our smaller farm, our hobby farm, and kind of more smaller paddocks of land. So if you need to cut and clean some trails, if you're doing ditch bank trimming, pond edge trimming, or anywhere along the lines of just general maintenance cleaning on farms, a flail mower that we sell by Ibex, we have models from the 50-some inches all the way about 70, 80 inches, and hydraulic offset models, things that should be able to help you guys with your property maintenance and management. So as long as we don't have, big forestry equipment here, I would love to see what you guys think. Hey guys, it's Tom from Tractor Tools Direct. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, check out our Facebook forum, and comment on any topics you'd like for us to cover in the future.